Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, you can open any of your desired document where you want to add a page. In order to add a page, simply scroll over all the way till the end and then tap on the Enter button, and this will automatically create a new page. You can continue this process by tapping on the Enter button until you get all the way till the end of the page, or you can also use Control Enter to automatically create a new page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a page on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.